How to buy polkadot on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy polkadot on Etoro in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro app like this and then go down to the watch list, click on it, and now you have to go and search for the dot. Here is it. If you didn't find it here, just click on this icon here and choose crypto and you will find it. After you find it, click on it and then click on trade here. Now choose the amount of money that you want to invest and click open trade, and now choose your payment method. You have credit card or bank transfer or even PayPal. After you choose, go down and click deposit and everything will be done in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.